Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Augustine Zaurong and his companions. They are martyrs. Sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, tampok ang pagsugo ng Panginoon sa tinatawag nating 12 apostol. Una po sa ating ebanghelyo natin, pumili ang Diyos ng 12 mula sa kanyang mga disipulo na tatawagin niyang mga apostol. Ang disipulo, coming from the word discere, is someone who learns from his master. Kasi discere means to learn. And so, a disciple is a student, a learner who tries to listen and imbibe the learning from his master into his life. While an apostle comes from the Greek word apostolos, meaning one who is sent to a mission entrusted by the Lord. And so, Jesus chose 12 among the many disciples, and He called them apostles. And then He gave them authority over unclean spirits. So, pinili sila at pinagkatiwalaan, pinagkalooban ng kapangyarihan laban sa mga masamang espiritu at magpagaling ng mga may sakit. And then, our gospel tells us the names of the 12. One interesting detail is the word first before the name of Simon, who is now called Peter. And this would give us a hint that really among these 12 apostles, Simon called Peter is the leader. Kaya nga po si San Pedro ang kinikilala natin na unang Santo Papa ng ating simbahan, because it was to him that the keys of the kingdom of heaven has been entrusted, that he has been the rock foundation of the church founded by Christ here on earth. Then, at the last portion of our gospel reading today, Jesus gave them instructions on how they will do their mission, that they will go to the lost sheep of Israel, and they should not enter to a pagan territory or a Samaritan town. And Jesus gave them this strict and very specific message that they would bring with them. They would proclaim the kingdom of God is at the hand or near. So, through them, who are sent by God, Jesus would be present. God will be present, and His kingdom will reign through their message. And so, this mission, this message, is actually entrusted to all of us, na lahat tayo ay magmimisyon at ipapahayag natin itong mabuting balita na ito, na sana sa pamamagitan natin maramdaman ng ibang tao na malapit ang Diyos sa kanila. Ito yung napaka-importanting ingredient o aspeto ng pagmimisyon, na sa pamamagitan natin maramdaman nila malapit ang Diyos. And so hopefully, as we go and proclaim God, they would feel and experience and appreciate the presence of God sa pamamagitan ng ating witnessing, sa pamamagitan ng ating pagngiti lamang, ng mga salita natin at ng mga ginagawa natin. Totoong maramdaman nila malapit ang Diyos sa kanila. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.